Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a burst on GoPro Fusion 360. To take a burst, click on this mode button, and then if you see this sign right here, then you are in burst mode, but if you don't, then click again until you go to settings, then click on OK, then click on OK again to go here. Then go down one move and then click on OK, and that's how you switch between photo, burst and night mode. Now when you are in burst, you can just go down, change the rate as well, so it will be how many photos per how many seconds. So I'm gonna set it to 30 per 2 seconds. Then go down to done and click on OK, and now you are in burst mode. And to take a burst, just click on this button right here. And now it takes a burst. And now it's saved on your card. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.